Alright, so with my parameters already set, so I'm going to pick my circle. Picking my circle, I'm producing a circle of radius 45, which is diameter what? Diameter 90. That is it right there. Okay, another circle on the inside down is radius 45 divided by 2. Okay, that is that inside there. Okay, so switching on my auto mode. Alright, I'm going to pick a straight line. Okay, so from the center of my circle downward, the length of my straight line there is what? Length of 178. Enter. So that's it right there. I'm going to extend it this way, then backwards right here. Okay, so switching off my auto mode, I'm going to pick my offset. Picking my offset of what? 22 at the bottom right there. Enter. Then I'm going to what? Pick this line, offset is towards this side. Okay, escape. So picking my circle right now, I'm drawing a circle of radius 90 right here, radius 90. Enter. Okay, so right here I am drawing a circle of radius 45 from the midpoint right here, radius 45. Enter. In that manner. Okay, after that has been done, I'm going to actually pick my line. So picking my line right now from this midpoint. Okay, I'm drawing this down here to do what? Tangency, like that. Do you see that? Okay, having done that, so let us produce the arc we have right here. So I'm going to pick my offset of what? Offset of 32. Enter. Picking this line, offsetting it up there. Okay, as you can see right there, I'm going to click on what? Escape. Okay, so then I produce our arc right there. I come to my arc, I pick center, start and end. Standing at this midpoint, I come right here. 32 plus 45, that's 77. Then what? Enter. Then I press my CTRL, then what? I click right there. So picking my arc with the same center, start and end, sitting right at this midpoint, coming down here, I press what? Radius of what? 32. Then what? Then enter. So then pressing my CTRL, I draw upward. I'm having that right there. Okay, so I'm going to use my trim. Picking my trim, I pick this with my what? With my enter. So I'm going to what? I remove this, and I remove this section. Okay, so having done that, I'm going to remove this also. I don't need it any longer. I'm removing this. Okay, so I'm removing this also. Okay, my trim, clicking on this and this, enter. I'm removing this. Okay, so this and this, I need them no more. So that area is what is settled as it is right there. So next thing is right here we're having an arc of radius 45, radius 45. So picking my arc, the same center, start and end. Okay, right there. So standing right here, I come here with what? 45. Enter. So pressing my control, I drag up. That's the first mark there. So picking my center, start and end. So sit right here, coming right here. Okay, then what? Drawing it in this way. So picking my arc right here also, standing right here, mark of what? 45. Enter. So pressing my CTRL, I'm having what? This. So picking my arc that same way, coming right here to this area right here, then what? Producing this also at radius what? 45. So I'm going to pick my trim command right here. This and this. Enter. So I'm injecting the whole of this. That's it. Then what? Escape. Okay, now so right here we're having our first arc of what? Radius is joining these two arc of radius 45. So how do we go with that? Okay, so these are going to actually sort that out now. We sort it out this way. All right, so I'm going to pick my arc, start, center and end likewise. Okay, so from this area is the midpoint for this arc at the top here, and over there it is what? It is an internal arc. That arc right there is an internal arc, so which means what? 45 minus 6. Okay, 45 minus 6, that is what? That is 39. So standing right at this midpoint, coming right here, I press 39, enter, then I draw this arc right there. So picking my arc, 45 plus 6, that's what? 51. Standing right here, okay, coming right here with what? 51, I enter, so I draw my corresponding arc, then picking my arc, standing right at this midpoint right there. Now this midpoint right here, so coming right here, radius what? 6, enter, then what? I'm having this, pressing my control, I'm having what? I'm having this. So having that, now I'm going to trim off those areas I don't need. So clicking on this and this and enter. So I'm trimming this off. Okay, this area off. So clicking on my trim, I'm clicking on this and this, enter. So I'm removing this area off. Okay, so those areas are settled now, so I can do away with this and this, delete. Okay, so now what else? So I can do away with this and this also, delete. So using my trim, sorry, we are not through yet, so picking my line, yeah, it remains the tangent here. Okay, so I'm having this line here, which is what? Tangential. Okay, from there to where? This area, tangential to each other, so escape. So picking my trim right now, picking this, enter. I'm going to what? Remove this area. So that is that is our object. Then I can also what? Do away with all of this and this. Okay, so that is our object. That is using our AutoCAD drawing. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.